Low-temperature rectification method, also known as cryogenic separation method, usually adopts mechanical methods, such as throttling expansion or adiabatic expansion, to compress and cool the gas, and then use the difference in boiling point of different gases to carry out rectification to make different gases get separated. The characteristic is that the product gas has high purity, but the energy consumption of compression and cooling is very large. This method is suitable for large-scale gas separation processes, such as oxygen and nitrogen. The principle of cryogenic air separation is to use air as raw material. After compression, purification, and heat exchange, the air is liquefied into liquid air. The purified air enters the main heat exchanger in the air separation tower, is cooled to the saturation temperature by the reflux gas, is sent to the bottom of the rectification tower, and then passes through liquid air and condenses to obtain nitrogen. LNEYA direct cooling cryogenic refrigerator can be used for cryogenic rectification and cryogenic separation. Possess high temperature 150 degrees direct cooling technology, such as the application of gas capture. The refrigerant is directly passed into the trap to evaporate, and the gas in the space is quickly captured through the condensation effect on the surface of the trap.